How we doing, boys and girls? It is raining in Oregon pretty tremendously. Heading to work on my 1989 Foxbody dub stand. Today we're going to work on the Firewall, wrap it up so we can actually get everything prepared for paint. So one step closer to a build that's gone on for about a year now. So more to come. Stay tuned. Project. It started just with simply subframe connectors, and it spawned into an actual beast of a build.